Are you tired of wasting your time and money doing homework and reading books that you don't remember and buying books? Well, now you won't have to with the time traveling pocket watch. Here are the 3 simple steps. First, you start spinning it. Then, you wait for a couple seconds. Then, you disappear into the future, as I'm gonna be doing right now. So this is what I'm gonna be time traveling right now. They made me run a bunch of laps around the city. So that is the time travel pocket watch. Buy it right now in 2035. I'm gonna do some time traveling. So, bye.